Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the kitchen. And as you can see, I have me some infused butter. And yeah, if you can guess it, cheesecake time. Hey, I'm following the recipe that is straight from the Levo playbook. And I mean straight from the Levo app. When you get the Levo machine, you can download the app. They have so many recipes that you can use and follow just to get started. And so, why not go with a cheesecake? You feel me? Now, after doing this recipe, I gotta say, it is a lot of sugar, right? So, I can't wait to flip it to make it a healthier cheesecake, if that's even possible. But nothing but premium ingredients on this one. You know what I mean? And make sure you do the same if you decide to follow along. You dig it? Now, at this point, you just put a little bit of that lemon juice in there because you want it to, firm up a little bit when it's time to pop it in that oven. You smell me? Let me go ahead. Woo. Now, here's the only part that I did not like. After it comes out of the oven, 3 hours before I could enjoy it. Yeah, it was the next day before I could even take a slice. And trust me, it was worth the wait.